Nice spot last night, was absolutely iced over and frozen this morning, but the sun's out now. We were quite warm in the truck. We didn't put the diesel heater on. It was still warm enough to sleep in there, but it was cold when we got up this morning. But Moonbi still got a jacket on. Time to hit the road for the day, see where we end up. So you will see how this side of the ute has a mudguard and like a wheel arch, and if we come around this side of the ute it doesn't. That's because I backed into a tree this morning and ripped it off, which was in very good form, but hopefully we'll get it fixed. Also just doing a little water fill here in Gleniness at the moment. Handy dandy hose link doing its job, hopefully. What are you up?
Hose link.
What is it then?
Just a normal reel. Hose link's a brand with its proper own clips.
Okay.
Stop supporting Hose link because we haven't got their gear.
Okay.
Hose link want to support us, we'll use their gear.
Okay. What are you doing?
What did we discuss before we left?
I can't remember. Because I hit a tree and forgot everything. Oh, the washing. We're putting the washing on while we're filling up. That's what we're doing. Good remembering, Tom. There is I think there's some washing powder in the little doodad. The what?
Washing powder in the doodad.
And then we just meandered on down, keep going down to New England, and we pulled into Moonbi just north of Tamworth for the night, staying with Tom's family and catching up with some family and friends while we're here.